How to fill in a table with color in Google Docs. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to fill a table in color in Google Docs, first of all open your browser and open Google Docs. Once you do so, just click in the cell whereby you want to add the color to. Then after, right click and go to the table properties. Once you tap on table properties, it will open some of the options on the right side of the screen. From here, select on color. To change the table border, just click on the color and then change it to any color of your choice. In the similar manner, you can even increase its width by increasing the PT. Once you do so, you will notice the changes. Similarly, to add a color to a specific cell, just choose the cell and then on the color background color, just change the color to any color of your choice. Similarly, if you want to add to the multiple cells, you just have to select all the cells and then change the color to the preferred colors. Or you can go back to table properties, then select the cell background color and change the color as well. So these are some of the options by which you can make the changes. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.